All right. After vigorously chipping away at this, I haven't ran into really any other roadblocks, so I didn't make any other crazy videos. But everything's here. Everything is here. We got new reviews. Pretty awesome. We put the About page here. So that looks... Put the Meet Our Team into the About Us. So they had two separate sections. They're missing two pictures. Got a directions here. They can actually click this and they'll be directed to the place. And actually, if they're on their phone, it'll pop up on Google Maps, which is pretty cool. Actually, let me show you all how to do that. There's a share button here, and you press embed map, and you could take that and put that in there. Or what I did is I took this share link and I just put that inside of the button. So the button right there is just that link, which is pretty cool. Change this to so you can see our practice, Meet the Doctors, and Meet the Team are two different pages. I just put them all into one because we can, and it looks a lot more clean. So that's pretty cool. I have some reviews. I left out Tour the Office. We'll see how they think about that. Procedures. You can see they don't have anywhere. You can't click on procedures initially. You can only click on a page. So we look here. We got, you can click on procedures. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 beautiful things. And if you want to read more about this, you could say learn more about partial and full dentures. It'll bring you to that page, the procedures page, which is right there. Same page. Everything's all good. I took their YouTube URL. How did I do that? Click the share button, click more. It'll bring you here to the video. Click share and then embed, and then you have the embed code. Same with the Google. So that's how we did that. Patient information. This is actually not clickable. So you can just go on this drop down here. We got payment options. And I scraped their sleep and TMJ patients buttons because these are completely different websites and they're, HIPAA compliant. So I'm not going to recreate those for them. So it's the same as this, but it looks a little bit more, 2020. And it is mobile friendly. Look at that. That's awesome. So yeah, the contact page too. Their contact page did not have a make an appointment. It just went straight to an appointment request form. So that you'll probably see a drop. They'll see a drop off rate right here if somebody has to fill out a bunch of stuff instead of just going ahead and typing in name, email, subject, and message. I'm actually going to put a phone number in here and probably just take out subject. So I'll replace that, and they'll get an email every single time that goes through. Here's the embed that I was talking about from Google. It's right here. So, everything's kind of set to go, and we can see how they like it. I'm going to send it to them in the next section. Obviously, we're going to need another picture because it says let our family care for yours twice. I'll ask them for another picture, and that'll all be very descriptive in the email that I send. So before we go ahead and propose this, we're going to do a couple more things. We're actually going to make it load a little bit faster. We're going to make the forms actually send an email right to them. We're going to test it out and make it send to my email first. And we're going to do some light complimentary SEO. And since the page is already live, we don't have to worry about that. We were running into some issues where it was logging me out every single time I press save. I don't know if you guys had that issue, but if you didn't, then there should be a maintenance mode orange button right here. You click that and you just disable it. Super easy. All right, excited for the next section.